Hi guys, Ricky here's with the project, and today we have a new video from HTML, CSS and JavaScript. But today we don't want to create any JavaScript codes. Today only we want to use HTML and CSS. Today we want to create a drop-down header. It's a very beautiful drop-down header with HTML, CSS, and that's it. With HTML and CSS, it's very easy. It's easier than you think. It's very easy, and we want to make a very beautiful header. We make it very beautiful, and let's start. We want one div navbar and here we want one a tag. We write sharp because we don't have any page. We write home, again another a tag, sharp, about, app, and div dot drop down. In this div we want one button, class drop btn, and here we write social medias. And here we write one arrow for it. What is the code of arrow? Ampersand sharp 9660. You can search it and find it in Google. Or another buttons, you can search it and find it in Google. Div dot drop down content dash content, and here we want tree tag. href again sharp, and here for example here we write YouTube. Here we say for example Instagram or LinkedIn, and it's finished. For the last, here let's write another a tag sharp. For example here we say contact us. Okay, let's start from first and I explain it to you. First, in the head tags we have one meta tag for UTF-8, and for responsive website we write one title for it, and we connect our HTML file to CSS file, and here we create one button for home, another button for about, and here we write one drop down button with name social medias, and the contents YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, and the last we write another button for the contact us. I said button meaning we create link, not button. It's a link, it's not a button tag. It's have very different between button and a tag. Let's start from first. We want one tag body, font family Arial, sans serif. And it's finished. Dot navbar also you can add one a tag for the logo if you have one img tag for the logo if you want. Dot navbar overflow hidden for the choosing the color, we say background color sharp 333. It's a gray. And now we want to make the content of this navbar to center. How we can write it? We say display flex justify content going to center. And now we want to make it write it from border radius for it 5 pixel. So we write border radius 5 pixel for getting around the square of this div. And now we want to write some tags for the a tag in the navbar. So we write .navbar a tags. First we want to display block for making it block. Float left to right, so we write left. The color should be white. If you want to choose another, you can choose another colors. It's a content color, the button colors. And text align to center. Text decoration to none for removing the line under the a tag. And we want font padding 14 pixel, space 20 pixel. And then it's finished. Now we want to write some tag and some codes for the a tag in the navbar. If user hover it, change the color. So here we say navbar, we want a tags if it's going to be hover. If user hover it, come here and change the background color to sharp DDD and color to black. And here it's the most important codes of the CSS, because now we want to write the drop down codes. Dot drop down, let's copy and paste it from here. Dot drop down float left overflow hidden. Dot drop down btn change the font size to 16 pixel and border to none, outline to none again, color white, padding 14 pixel, space 20, background color in here, a margin, we don't want any margin, so we write it 0, because basically it's have I think so 5 pixel from left and from top, so we don't want it, and we write it 0, and it's finished. Now we want to write some another tags for drop down. If we hover the drop down and drop down BTNs. Let's check we write it drop down BTN correct. Yes, it's correct. Dot navbar a tag if we hover it, and dot drop down in the drop down we hover all of the drop down, dot drop down BTN. Background color change to sharp DDD, color black. And let's write some codes for drop down content. display none. Basically we don't want to have any display. Position absolute. Background color sharp F9 F0. Mean width 160 pixel, 160 pixel, and we want one box shadow for making one box. 0 0 16 0, and the color should be RGBA 000.2. For the alpha we write 0.2 and z index going to be 1 for making it for changing the layer of it. Dot drop down content a tags float none color black padding 12 16 pixel 12 pixel and 16 pixel. Text decoration to none. Display to black. Text align to left. Dots drop down contents. A if hover. Background color sharp DDD. Dot drop down. All of the div. Hover and dot drop down content. Display block. And it's finished. Wow. Write CSS codes in 70 lines, 20 line, and 13 line for here. Let's run it. Now it's going to be wow. It's very beautiful. If we hover it, it's going to change the color. And if we open, we have one bar for the drop down bar. It's very beautiful. If you like this project, please like the video and subscribe the channel. If you want to help me, please subscribe and like and write a comment for me and share my video to your friends. And also, if you have any question about this project or other project, or you have any ideas for creating, you can write it at comment. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video to here, and like always, here's Petit Project and goodbye.